Good afternoon, students. We have learnt various conjunctions till now, and you have learnt till now that what are conjunctions. Basically, conjunctions are joining words. These words join two words, two phrases, or two sentences. Today I have something interesting for you. So just have a look at it. Can you see the screen on your mobile? This is
Yes, ma'am.
this is a pictorial presentation of a story. Okay? This is a pictorial presentation
Yes,
of a
ma'am.
story, picture story. Rohan and Geeta were arguing if they should bake chocolate cake or apple pie for dessert. Okay? While Rohan preferred cake and Geeta preferred pie. Okay? Rohan and Geeta, they were arguing. Arguing means having a argument, बहस करना, ठीक है? If they should bake chocolate cake or apple pie for dessert, there is a difference of the spelling. Pay attention to the spelling. Desert, D-E-S-S-E-R-T. It is a completely different word from the word desert, D-E-S-E-R-T. That desert, D-E-S-E-R-T means a dry area which receives no rain for a long time. Okay, and this desert is for sweet. Okay, do not make any scratch on the screen. So this chocolate cake and apple pie, these are considered under the category of dessert. While Rohan preferred cake and Geeta preferred pie. रोहन को केक पसंद था और गीता को एप्पल पाई. Although there were some cookies available there, but neither Rohan nor Geeta would like to bake it. Before Rohan and Geeta could object, Ridhima baked both cookies and pie. Rohan and Geeta were surprised yet pleased at this turn of events. Now, as we have a short pictorial presentation of the story through this slide, you can understand the two characters, Rohan and Geeta. They are joined with the conjunction and. They were arguing if they should bake chocolate cake और एप्पल पाई फॉर डेजर्ट. मीठे में उन्हें केक चॉकलेट केक बेक करना है या एप्पल पाई बनानी है. देन रोहन प्रिफर्ड एक्चुअली केक. अश्विनी नाहर, कंट्रोल योर हैंड्स. While Rohan preferred cake and Geeta Geeta preferred pie. This is also a conjunction. While and okay, रोहन को केक पसंद था, प्रिफर्ड केक, लेकिन गीता को एप्पल पाई. Although there were some cookies, हालांकि वहां थोड़ी कुकीज थी, cookies available there. There were cookies, but neither Rohan nor Geeta would like to bake it. They did not want to bake. Okay? Before Rohan and Geeta could object, before Rohan and Geeta, again and Rohan and Geeta could object. Object means to oppose, विरोध करना. Okay. So before both of these, Rohan and Geeta could object, Ridhima baked both cookies and pie. Now Ridhima baked both cookies and pie. Ridhima is another character here, another person here, who baked both cookies and pie. उसने दोनों बना लिया. Rohan and Geeta were surprised yet pleased at this turn of events. Now again they are connected, Rohan and Geeta, and they were surprised yet pleased. Yet means फिर भी खुश थे at this turn of events. I hope you have gone through the pictorial presentation. Now, the question number 1. On which subject Rohan and Geeta were arguing? Rohan and Geeta were arguing if
chocolate cake or apple pie.
If they should bake chocolate cake or apple pie for dessert. On which subject you should keep quiet. I am giving you the reply. On which subject Rohan and Geeta were arguing? Rohan and Geeta were arguing if they should bake chocolate cake or apple pie for dessert. Next question. What did Rohan and Geeta not want to bake? Rohan and Geeta, you have to write separately for it. Rohan did not want to bake a pie, means Rohan preferred a cake, means he did not want to bake a pie, and Geeta did not want to bake a cake. Okay, see the question. What is the question has taken a turn. It is not a direct question. Direct question नहीं पूछा है तुमको कि रोहन क्या बेक करना चाहता था और गीता क्या बेक करना चाहती थी. The question is different, that Rohan and Geeta did not want to bake. What were the things? So Rohan did not want to bake an apple pie, and Geeta did not want to bake a cake. Okay. Next question. How did Ridhima surprise everyone in the story above? In the story above, Ridhima surprised Rohan and Geeta by
Riddhika baked
both
cookies and pies.
Both baked both cookies and pie. So Ridhima surprised Rohan and Geeta by baking both cookies and pie. Now there is another question. Why were Rohan and Geeta surprised? Rohan and Geeta were surprised as Ridhima baked both cookies and pie. Why Rohan and Geeta were pleased? This is another question. This is another question. Question number 7. Why? Why Rohan and Geeta and Geeta were pleased? Why Rohan and Geeta were pleased? Why Rohan and Geeta were pleased? Rohan and Geeta were pleased at the turn of the events. Very simple answer. Rohan and Geeta were pleased at the turn of events. Now, the next question, how many characters are there in the picture? There are 3 characters, Rohan, Geeta and Ridhima. 3 characters are there in the picture. How many conjunctions are used in the picture presentation? Look.
10.
If,
10.
for, or, then, not for, it is or. And, if, or, here again and, while, although, but,
12.
neither,
12.
nor, then, before, and, both, and yet. These many conjunctions are used in this picture presentation. Write the names of conjunctions used in the picture presentation. Now you have to write the names like and, or, if,
For.
again,
And. All through.
while,
But.
although, it is although, okay, but, neither, nor, before, then, and, both, and, yet, and. These many conjunctions are used in this presentation. These are the names of the conjunctions. And as I gave you its answer to the 7th question, why Rohan and Geeta were pleased? Rohan and Geeta were pleased at this turn of events. So I hope you have liked it. Now, this is your screen share, your presentation, pictorial presentation today. I have something else for you.
ये ज्यादा बड़ी है क्या
Like.
Okay, you can write those sentences in your notebook. Okay? These are certain examples. The cat chases the rat. Cannot catch it. Okay? The cat chases the cat. The conjunction will be what? Sheetal screamed. Sheetal screamed. Screamed means shouted, made noise. Okay? Sheetal screamed, but or ran. Stand up. The bed. Right hand. Third example. Sneha when she works hard. Okay? Sneha will when. Here we are going to write if. When she works hard. If she works hard. Are these plants flowering? This is the question. Are these plants flowering? Non-flowering. It means we are giving the option choice. It means all is to be used. Are these plants flowering or non-flowering? Flowering means फूल आने वाले. Non-flowering means जिन पर फूल नहीं आते. Okay? So this way, today we have seen certain other examples. I sent you one pictorial presentation. There is an attachment of those exercises which were given to you. Okay? Keep them. Next, the room had only a bed. The room had only a bed, comma, a table, a pen. It means we are going to write when we join 2 or 3 or 4 more examples. Last example is connected with and. The room had only a bed, a table, and a pen. Here again we will connect the sentence with and. Megha sang well.
Ma'am, side please.
She had a sore throat. Okay. Megha sang well. She had a sore throat. Sore throat means जब गला खराब हो जाता है. Okay. तो क्या प्रीपोज कंजंक्शन काम में आएगा? Although. फिर भी he is short in height, runs fast. Here we will write but. He is short in height but runs fast. He works hard. He works hard so that he can win the match. So that. Okay. So these are the conjunctions which we generally use in our sentences. There we have some other sentences to
Ma'am,
practice.
side please. Ma'am, it's 12:53.
So what? Okay, I am going to end the meeting, but you should note down all the sentences. Okay.